Holiness. Long live His Holiness Dalai Lama. We stand with His Holiness. Long live His Holiness Dalai Lama.
हाल ही में इंडिया के मीडिया जो 5 सेकंड का वीडियो क्लिप डालकर दलाई लामा जी को अपमान और बदनाम किया है। अगर हम चाहे तो उस वीडियो को पूरा देख सकते हैं। और कार्यक्रम के बाद जो बच्चे और उसकी मां ने कहा है कि उन्हें दलाई लामा जी से आशीर्वाद मिला है और अच्छा अनुभव मिला है। तो इस बात से जाहिर होता है कि मीडिया वाले हम लोगों को गुमराह कर रहे हैं और गलत चीज़ें दिखा रहे हैं। तो हम लोग ये मांग करते हैं कि मीडिया वाले दलाई लामा जी से माफ़ी मांगे। धन्यवाद।
Today's everybody talks about cultural diversity, and we even teach this in our school. When somebody's culture doesn't suit with one's own culture or Western culture, then it becomes child abuse and disrespected. Nowadays, basically, cultural diversity has simply become a name, and if there is a cultural diversity, then it should be respected to all its cultural background.
Some of the mainstream Indian media had defamed His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama by using the 5-second of video which was cut and edited. If we look into that video, we can see that the little boy and the mother had said that they had a good experience and they received a blessing. But the media has misinterpreted and misled people regarding this issue. So we are here to demand media to apologize to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Thank you.
Moja